this assessment asks us to consider which side of a hypothetical equilibrium is going to be favored. In this particular equilibrium, we're just interconverting between one chair conformation and the other. And so to make this distinction, we're going to try to minimize the number of axial substituents. What we notice looking at this is the molecule on the left has one axial methyl group and one equatorial methyl group. The molecule on the right has one axial methyl group and one equatorial methyl group. With one axial and one equatorial on both sides, and the fact that they're methyl groups in both cases, neither side is going to be favored. That is, the two conformations are equally stable, and we expect KEQ to be equal to 1. The concentration at equilibrium of both conformations will be equal.